Hey guys, I'm just doing a video about all my Nerf guns, and yeah, I thought it would be pretty good. So yeah, this is my Recon CS6. It's pretty cool. It's got a laser at the front. Turn it on. Yep. Yeah. And it's got a pretty good sight. And yeah, it shoots really well. I'll test it shooting over that door in a second. And this is my Nerf ammo box. I got it from Kmart yesterday. It's pretty cheap, and it came with 100 streamlined bullets, and I store all my guns in there as well. Yeah, I'll show you. I bought this from Kmart yesterday as well. It's called the Secret Strike CS6. I mean AS1, yeah. And it's really tiny. It fits in my hand, but it can actually shoot like up to 30 feet. And yeah. So, and these are my two dot tag guns, and they're pretty good. Yeah, there. And yeah, they shoot pretty well, more than 30 feet. And they came with these Velcro bullets. Yeah, I'll test that in a second as well. And this is just all my bullets in there. Ooh. And yeah, now it's time to test the guns. I'll just do one dot tag one, I won't do the other one. See how fast it goes. That's pretty good. And I'll test this. That was also pretty good. And I'll test this as well. It's pretty good for a little gun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But before we go, a word from our sponsor. Okay, well, see you guys. Hope you enjoyed my video.